All right, today we're going to talk a little bit about plywood and what kind of plywood we use here at the shop. So I'm not going to get into all the different kinds of plywoods. There's multi-layer plywoods, and then there's regular plywood with 5 layers. But they all have very similar characteristics. But today, the plywood we use to make the cabinets themselves is what we're going to talk about. So this is called MPX, or pre-finished maple plywood. The reason why it's pre-finished is because they take a raw maple veneered plywood and then they roller coat a UV finish on it to pre-finish it. And this is important because when we cut the parts out, the parts already have a finish and there's no additional cost for finishing your cabinet. It makes it very environmentally friendly and cost effective. We bring in board from a company called Columbia Forest, linked below, hopefully. And Columbia Forest is unique in the fact that the glue they use is called Pure Bond. And the story for Pure Bond is there was a scientist one day, and he went to the beach and he saw some mollusks stuck to the rocks. And then he wanted to know how they were able to stick to those rocks. And he did a little investigation and he invented this glue that was a lot more environmentally friendly and safer to be around, and they called that glue Pure Bond. So the Pure Bond glue is what they use, and what that means is when you get your cabinets, the glue isn't off-gassing extra chemicals in your house. And this plywood is unique because the 2 outside layers are meant to be extra flat, and what that allows them to do is allows them to put a nice good finish coat on the plywood. So that is a brief primer on the plywood that we use here at Cabinets Quick for making your cases. In future videos we can cover other materials if you guys want. If there's any questions or any specific applications you guys want to cover, please feel free to call into our office, and we'll see you on the next video.